Jared at Weber Brothers bringing you another example of a front clip. Today I am a little late to the party. This one is actually being shipped and I caught it just before it gets its final wrap up. So you're actually seeing it in its one of its last stages before it leaves here. So this is a 2024 Tesla Model Y, and this one is again headed out on a freight trip. Kind of a long ride for it, but nonetheless it will be just fine. My guys have done a great job. The last stage is actually just plastic wrapping, some more wood and framework to make sure no one can set anything on top of it so it doesn't get damaged in transit. So, if you're looking for a Tesla Model Y, if you're picking it up, it's going to be sitting on a skid. If we're shipping it, it's going to look something like this. The final product is just a little bit different. But if you're getting a Tesla Model Y from us, or another Tesla, or in fact any other car, it's going to look just like this. You can expect the hood, the fenders, the front bumper, the headlights. Electric cars being a little bit different as far as the cooling setup, but everything is in there. And I've gone over a previous video with this customer before he purchased this one, which was actually a big selling point for him, I believe. He was able to fully comprehend and understand exactly what is provided with a front clip from us. You're welcome to take a look at the rest of my videos. There's lots of examples of front clips. This one's beautiful condition. One little scrape here on the bumper that should clean up pretty well. But otherwise, very, very nice front end. Of the frunk or the tub or whatever it's referred to. Some extra bits in here. Anything that we took out to make way to get it on the skid, we put right back in. I know they took this cover off so they could run the metal banding, which you see here, up through the strut tower, which keeps it secure. And any of the cooling packs are still in there as well, hiding behind the front bumper. So if you're looking for a Tesla Model Y front, and another Tesla front, or any other front clip for that matter, if you're doing a front end repair, it's a great way to do it. My name's Jared. You can email me, JaredWeberBros at Gmail. You can find me on any of the social sites. Just look up Jared at Weber Bros or Jared at Weber Brothers. You'll find me. I'm pretty much everywhere. Again, thanks for watching. Check the comments below. Plenty of other information and a full definition of exactly what it is, as well as my contact information. Thanks again.